So I'm just finishing up chopping my angel food cake into nice little cubes, just like so, you guys. And now you're just gonna take those and set them aside into a bowl. Oh my gosh, those look so fluffy and delicious. I absolutely love the lightness of angel food cake, and this is gonna be delicious. Now we're grabbing ourselves a baking dish here, and we're gonna get those cubed up angel food cakes that we just made, and you're gonna take your clean hands, and we are just gonna put a couple of those squares right here down on the bottom of our baking dish. All right, you guys, that looks great. I'm gonna take some of these big pieces and just quickly break them up really quick. Oh, this easy dessert is good in a pinch, and not to mention, you guys, anyone can do this. Now I have some chocolate pudding, and ooh, that looks delicious. We're gonna give it just a little stir, you guys, and then we're just gonna come through and we're gonna plop some of this chocolate pudding right on top of this angel food cake. Ooh, it's gonna soak right in and give it a nice little chocolatey flavor. We'll go ahead and just nice and carefully spread that out right on top of that angel food cake. Yum, look at how tasty that is. This is coming together great. Right on top of that now, I have some Cool Whip. So we're gonna grab ourselves our Cool Whip now, and we're gonna do the same thing. We're just gonna plop some Cool Whip right on top of that pudding. So far we have a layer of angel food cake, then we have some chocolate pudding, and now we're gonna put on this Cool Whip. Ooh, yes.
It smells so good.
I know, right? Who doesn't love a light, fluffy dish with a little bit of sweetness? I know I do. To make this even better, we're grabbing some Reese's. If you know me, you know this is my favorite. So we're gonna layer some Reese's right on top. So we have the angel food cake, the chocolate pudding, the Cool Whip, and now some delicious Reese's. There we go. Grab yourself the remainder of that angel food cake, and you're gonna place it right on top, creating another layer, almost like a dessert lasagna, right? We got these layers of goodness just layering on top of one another. And like I said, the pudding and that Cool Whip is just gonna soak right in, and oh my gosh, wait until you give this a try. We're gonna pair that up by layering another layer of chocolate pudding on top of that angel food cake. Do you guys know where we're going with this? I'm sure you do. So glob the rest of that chocolate pudding on there and just push it over the top, you guys. It does not have to be perfect. This is kind of like a dump and go dessert. Anyone can do, and it's super easy to make. We don't have to bake this, and we don't really even have to make it, right? We just kind of have to put it together. So that is something I love, especially when I'm kind of in a pinch of a hurry and I need a delicious little dessert to take with me to my little party that I got to attend. All right, you know what we're doing here. We're layering it up with some more Cool Whip, and this time I'm gonna have a nice layered topping because this is gonna be our final layer. So you put the rest of that Cool Whip on there and spread it all out so it's nice and even. Oh my goodness, I'm in love already. Look at how great this is coming along and how easy it is. We are working with 4 ingredients. Anyone can do this dessert, and trust me when I say it might just be your new favorite. Now you better believe that I'm gonna take some more Reese's and I'm gonna top that right on top of there. Now I like these Reese's minis because they're unwrapped. They also make other candies, so I don't know. Are you choosing Reese's? Are you choosing Kit Kat, Snickers, Twix? What is your favorite little candy out there? Any of those will work so great in this recipe. So I'm just gonna use them all up because you know me, I love chocolate and peanut butter, and I want some in every bite as I scoop this out. That's what I'm talking about. Wow, that looks great. Okay, you guys, I have to show you how this is all layered up. Look at that angel food cake. We have the pudding, the whipped topping, we have those Reese's, and a whole nother layer. How easy was that? Now, of course, you can make this ahead of time and let it sit, but because we don't need to bake it and everything was already made, we threw it together. You better believe I'm about to dig in. So let's give this a try. Wow, I can feel all the layers. We have that chocolate pudding and all of those Reese's. Look at that inside. Wow. Everything you need is right here. Can I just have this instead? Can I just have this be dinner tonight? Is this fine?
Sure.
Is that acceptable? Do you guys ever have dessert for dinner? Or even better, do you ever eat dessert before dinner? Dessert tastes better before dinner.
Never
just
skip
saying.
dessert.
Never skip dessert. Okay, I want a little bit of pudding with angel food cake and of course the Reese's. Here we go. Yes. You can't go wrong with this, you guys. It is as fabulous as I remember. Let me know if you're gonna change it up at all. What are you gonna do with this recipe? I suggest you get somewhere to go or have some people over just to make it because that's how great it is. All right, you guys, let me know what you think and I'll see you guys later. Enjoy.